Hai, Assalamualaikum. Selamat sejahtera. Bertemu kita lagi untuk pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Masih lagi dalam chapter 5 iaitu circles. Okay. Alright. Your learning standard for today is to determine the circumference, area of circle, length of arc, area of sector, and other related measurement. Okay. First, we want to know how to determine the circumference of a circle. Alright. So, with refer to the example 6 in your textbook, calculate the circumference of circle if a diameter d equals to 14 centimeter. Use pi equals to 22/7. Okay, in previous lesson, you have learned the formula to find circumference. There are two formula, which are 2 pi r and pi d. So in this question, already given to you the diameter, okay, which is d equals to 14 centimeter. Okay, so which formula that you will use? Yeah, you will use the formula pi d. So just substitute the value pi 22/7 because the question asks you to use pi equals to 22/7. Okay, so pi 22/7 times diameter 14 centimeter. Therefore, the circumference is 44 centimeter. Alright, next. Example 6b. Calculate the circumference of a circle if radius r equals to 21.3 centimeter. Use pi equals to 3.142. So in this question, asks you to use this value of pi. Alright, so use the formula 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 times 3.142 times 21.3. So you get the circumference 133.85 centimeter. You round off the value correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now, in example 7a, given the circumference of a circle 88 centimeter. So this one is the circumference. Okay. Calculate the diameter. In this question, asks you to find the diameter. Okay, so how to get the diameter? You have to use the formula circumference pi d. Then you substitute this value 88 and substitute value pi 22/7. Okay, so circumference is 28 equals to 22/7 times diameter. Then, by using linear equation, you find the value d. Okay, you know how this one, you get 7/22. It is actually, one is 88, divide by 22/7. Okay, 22/7. Okay, alright. Then, when you divide the fraction, you must change into multiplication. Then, this fraction will reciprocal. Alright, therefore, you get value d 28 centimeter. Okay. Alright, next. In example 7b, given the circumference is 36.8. So this one is value circumference. Calculate the radius. Okay, the question asks you to find radius. Calculate the radius of the circle in centimeter and round off the answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, use pi equals to 3.142. Okay, so in this question, you have to use the formula 2 pi r. Okay, because in the question asks you to find radius. Okay, then substitute the value by using linear equation. You solve the equation. Alright, so you get R equals to 5.86 because you round off correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, now we want to determine the area of circle. Okay, by referring to example 8a, calculate the area of circle with diameter 10 centimeters. So this one is the diameter. Use pi equals to 22/7. Okay, so what is the formula to find an area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. So, but in this question, give to you the diameter. So, you have to divide by 2. Then you have to divide by 2 because diameter is twice radius. Alright, so use the formula pi 22/7 times 10/2. Okay, because this one should be radius. 10/2, you will get radius. Then don't forget this one square. Okay, radius square. Okay, so therefore, the area of the circle is 78.57 cm square. Okay, next, in example 8b, calculate the area with radius 7 cm. Okay, now already given to you the value of radius, and you have to use pi equals to 22/7. So you just substitute the value into the formula, then you will get 154 cm square. Okay. Now, in example 9, given the area of circle 616 centimeter. Okay, this one is the area of circle. Calculate the radius, so you have to find the radius, okay, and diameter. So, how to find radius and diameter if the question gives you the value of area? Okay, so use the formula of area to find radius. So you just substitute area 616, okay, and then 616 divided by pi. Okay, this one is what? You apply what you have learned in Form 1. Okay. Alright. So this one you get 616 over 22/7 because value pi you have to use 22/7. Okay. Then now what you have to do is you change the division. Okay, this one is actually division. You change into multiplication, then you use reciprocal the value 22/7. You reciprocal into 7/22. Okay, then you find r equals to square root of. Okay, because this one on the left is square, then you bring to the right hand side will be square root of. Okay, you just use your calculator to find this value. So you get r equals to 14 centimeter. Okay, don't forget you have to find value of diameter. Okay, after you get value of radius, you have to find value of diameter. So diameter you know twice of radius. Okay, so diameter is 28 centimeter. Alright, next example. In example 10, given circumference is 66 centimeter. Now this one is the circumference 66 centimeter. Calculate the area. Okay. Is it the question give you the value of radius to find area? The formula to find area is pi r square. Okay, pi r square. But in this question does not give you the value of radius, but it gives you the value of circumference. So based on this value, you have to find value of radius first. So the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, then you substitute the value, then you solve the equation, you get r equals to 10.5 centimeter. Okay, alright, then only you can find value of area. Area is pi r square. Use pi 22/7 and then multiplied by 10.5 square. Okay, so area is 346.5 cm square. Okay, so to solve this question, you have to understand first what the question asks you to find and what information given to you. Okay. Alright, now example 11. Given area of circle is 75.46 cm square. This one is the area. Calculate the circumference. Okay. Just same as the example 10. Okay. Circumference is 2 pi r. Okay. 2 pi r. But in this question, you do not know the value of r, so you have to find value of r by substitute the value, okay, in this formula. Area equals to pi r square. Then you solve this equation, you get r equals to 4.9 centimeter. Make sure you know how to solve this equation. Okay, this one you have learned in Form 1. Alright, so next you can find value of circumference. Okay, circumference equals to 2 pi r. So you substitute value radius that you have find, then you will get circumference equals to 30.8 centimeter. Okay, next. Now we want to determine the length of arc. You know that arc is what? Arc is part of circumference. Okay, arc is a part of circumference. Okay, the length of arc is proportional. Okay, proportional to the angle at the center. Okay, angle at the center of the circle. Okay, you know the meanings of proportional, right? You have learned in Form 1, meanings of proportional. Okay. Okay, length of arc over circumference equals to angle at center over 360 degree. This one shows that length of arc proportional to the angle at center of the circle. Okay, but why this one is 360? The angle in a circle is 360 degrees. Okay, and circumference, okay, length of arc over circumference. Circumference 360. Okay, because circumference is the perimeter of the circle. And length of arc is based on the angle at center. Alright, so the length of arc over 2 pi r, because to find circumference is 2 pi r equals to theta. Okay, this one is symbols of theta. Okay, theta. Okay, over 360 degrees. Okay, therefore, length of arc equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay? Okay. Okay, now let's look at example 12. The diagram below shows a circle with radius of 14 centimeter and centered at O. Okay, this one is the circle. Okay, radius 14 centimeter. Okay, radius is 14. Alright, and centered at O. Calculate the length of minor arc. Minor arc, this one is minor arc. Okay, this one. Okay, minor arc. Alright, so this one is the arc, minor arc PQ, which enclose 60 degree at the center. Okay, given the theta is 60 degrees, write your answer to 2 decimal places. So you want to know the length of minor arc. You want to know the length of minor arc PQ. Okay, by using the formula, theta over 360 times 2 pi r, you substitute value of theta 60 degrees. PQ enclose 60 degree at the center. Okay, so you get 14.67 because you have to write your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 decimal places. Okay. Next, example 13. The diagram below shows a circle with radius 21 cm. Okay, the radius is 21 and centered at O. Angle ROS, okay, this angle is 72 degrees. Calculate the major arc. Okay, now you want to find the major arc. Okay, the major arc. Alright, so you cannot refer to this angle. You must refer to the other angle. Okay, this side. Okay, alright, I will make it clearer. Okay, so you have to find this angle. Okay, so how to find this angle? 360 minus 72. Okay. Alright, so angle at center is 360 minus 72. Okay, therefore, this angle, okay, this angle is 288 degrees. Then you can find the length of arc. Okay, theta is 288 over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. Okay, then you get the answer, length of arc 105.6 centimeter. Now, example 14, given the length of arc of a circle, okay, is 11 centimeter. This one is the length of arc. And the angle at the center of the circle is 45 degrees. Okay, this one is theta. Okay, this one is theta. Calculate in cm the radius of the circle. So how to calculate the radius? Okay, you must use this formula. Length of arc already given 11 centimeter. Theta also given 45 degrees. Then you can find value of radius. Okay, just substitute into the formula. Okay, theta 45 over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, equals to 11. Okay, then you solve the equation. You will get r equals to 14 centimeter. Alright, now we want to determine the area of sector. Okay, just now we learned how to find the length of arc. Now you want to know how to find the area of sector. Alright, the area of sector is proportional to the area of the circle. Okay, area of sector over area of circle equals to angle at center over 360. Just same as the length of arc. Okay, you have to know the angle at the center. Alright. Then this one, area of sector over pi r square, because area of circle is pi r square, equals to theta over 360 degrees. And The formula to find the area of sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Alright, now we look at example 15. The diagram below shows a circle with center O and radius 21 mm. Calculate the area of minor sector. Area of minor sector is this area, okay, this region, MON, okay, the sector MON. Alright, so how to calculate the area of the sector? Look at the formula. Area of sector is theta over 360 times pi r square. Alright, theta is the angle at the center, okay, which the minor sector is enclosed. Alright, so you substitute the value angle 100 degree over 360 degree times pi 22 over 7 times 21 square. Okay, if the question does not give you the value of pi, either 22 over 7 or 3.142, you use pi equals to 22 over 7. Okay, so answer is 385 millimeter square. Okay, now example 16. Given the area of sector QOP is 18 cm square. Okay, this one is the area. Okay, this one is the area of sector. And radius is 12 centimeter. Calculate the value of theta. So you want to know what is the value of angle at the center. Alright, okay, this one the circle. Okay, you want to know the value of theta. Alright, so use the formula theta over 360 times pi r square because this one involves area. Okay, use this formula. Okay, then you substitute the value, area 18.48, and then you do not know value of theta, times 22 over 7 times 12 square. Okay, in this question does not give you the value of pi, so use 22 over 7. Okay, alright, then you solve this equation, then you will get theta equals to 14.7. Alright, okay, so that's all for this topic. Okay, this one. At the beginning of this chapter, you have learned the parts of circle. Okay, what you have learned in the parts of circle? You know the circumference, you know what is circumference, and then you know what is chord, what is diameter, radius, and this one center. You also know the arc and sector. Arc is the part of circumference. This one is minor arc and this one is the major arc. And sector is enclosed by two radii. Okay, radii. Plural for radius is radii. Okay, so this one sector. Minor sector is less than half of the circle, whereas major sector is more than half of the circle. You also know the segment. Segment is enclosed by chord and arc. Alright, this one minor segment. Okay, because less than half of the circle. And this one is the major segment. Okay, this one is major segment. Make sure you know how to differentiate sector and segment. Okay, sector is enclosed by two radii and arc, whereas segment is enclosed by chord and arc. Okay, that's why it's the difference between sector and segment. Alright, and you also learned about the properties of chords and radius. Okay, where radius perpendicular to chord bisect. Okay, bisect the two chord and vice versa. Okay, bisect means, okay, it divide the chords into two equal parts. If the intersection is 90 degrees, therefore the radius bisect this chord. Right? You will also learn about chords which are equidistant from center of the circle are equal length. Okay, AB and CD have equal length if they are equidistant from center. Equidistant means have same distance. Alright, and you also learn equal chord form arc with equal length. If AB equals to CD, therefore this arc AB and arc CD have equal length. At the second part of this chapter, you learn the formula of circle. There are 4 formula of circle that you have to know. Yes, okay, how to get the circumference, how to get the area of circle, and how to get the length of arc, and also how to get the area of sector. Okay, so that's all for this chapter. So hopefully you do exercise involving this chapter. Okay? Alright, so see you in next topic.